Have you ever wondered how secure your data really is? With growing cyber threats, understanding data security is crucial. Today, we'll explore key techniques to safeguard your information: encryption, masking, access controls, and compliance with regulations like GDPR, PDPA, and CCPA. Let's begin with encryption. Encryption transforms your data into unreadable code. This way, even if someone intercepts it, they can't understand it without a key. Next, we have data masking. Masking hides specific data within a database. This means that sensitive information still exists but is not exposed during analysis. Now, let's look at access controls. Access controls determine who can view or use data. You can restrict access based on roles or attributes. This ensures only authorized personnel can handle sensitive information. Compliance with regulations is vital. The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, protects personal data in Europe. Similarly, the Personal Data Protection Act, PDPA, sets rules in Singapore. The California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, protects the rights of California residents. Understanding these laws helps organizations manage data responsibly. Non-compliance can lead to serious penalties. To summarize, data security relies on encryption, masking, access controls, and compliance regulations. Each method plays a vital role in protecting sensitive information. Take action now. Review your data security policies. Implement these strategies to enhance your data protection today. Stay informed, stay secure, and protect your data.